In this video, I will be showing you how to create AI images in ChatGPT mobile app. So let's get started. For this, just come into the home interface of ChatGPT mobile app. You can either click on this create an image option or directly paste your prompt over here. I will just click on this create an image, and here we'll be having so many templates available. Let's suppose say if you want to generate an anime version of yourself or a underwater version of yourself, you can simply click on this template and you can either choose a photo from gallery or take an image directly using a camera. By this way you'll be getting an anime version of yourself. So you can try that. If you don't want any of these, you can simply go here and type your prompt. Okay, you can just type your prompt over here. So I will just paste my prompt. Another important thing is make sure that you are specifying the aspect ratio over here. So in my case I have mentioned it as 9:16, and you can just ask ChatGPT to generate a text to image prompt, and after reviewing it you can simply ask it to create an image also. So this is done. I will just send it. I have got a 9:16 image. So you can click on edit in case if you want to make any edits over here, or you can simply like add a comment, tap on the image to make comment. So you can just tap it over here and add any comments or edits. And next is you can simply resize it. In case if you want the exact same image but in a different aspect ratio, click on resize, and here we are having these many aspect ratios to choose from. So if you click on it, ChatGPT will generate the exact same image but in a different aspect ratio. And next is we are having the remove. So you can just draw the area and ask it to remove it also. So all these features are available, and if you want some other versions or some more edits, you can simply ask here ChatGPT to do it. And another way of creating images by giving voice input. So here we are having the mic icon, right? You can simply click it. Hey ChatGPT, can you generate me a 16:9 aspect ratio image of a forest? And just send this. So as you can see, this literally has got the input from our voice, and it will now create an image. So not only by typing the text, you can also like generate an image by using the voice input, which is way more fast and efficient. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.